Welcome to Easy Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to single crochet in the back loop. And to begin, you're going to need a crochet hook. I used a 5mm and medium weight yarn. I used Vanna's Choice. To begin, you can chain any number. And in the second chain from the hook, you will single crochet. You single crochet in each chain across. Okay, now I've single crocheted. You're going to chain one and turn your work. You're going to find the back loop of the first stitch. It is the loop that's furthest away from you, and you're going to single crochet in that back loop. Continue single crocheting in the back loop of each stitch across. Once you're finished single crocheting in the back loop, you'll be able to see the ridge and the texture that it's creating. And to do the next row, you're going to chain one and turn. We're going to repeat just like we did last time. We're going to find the back loop of the stitch and single crochet in that first stitch, right in the back loop. And you just continue single crocheting in the back loop across until you get to the end again. Continue single crocheting in the back loop across to create a beautiful ridged texture that is great for the cuffs of sweaters, the collars of sweaters, and the base and brims of hats. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave a comment or email me, or check out my blog at easycrochet.com. Thanks for watching.